Look how nicely it's blurred, the background. You can see all the flowers and stuff. Look at the cat texture. Just look at it. Ginger cat, as we asked. Having fun. It looks like it's stalking something in the garden, just like cats do. Wow. Hey guys, this is Jacques from Makulu and welcome to another video. So we are just days away from the big release. We are releasing the new Lindows 2025, a complete redesign of Lindows, by the way. So if you think you know what Lindows looks like and feels like, and you don't. This is a complete redesign. We're going in a complete new direction. As we are with most of our distros this year, a lot of them are getting a very complete redesign. We have to because of all the AI integration and so forth. I think we are now the most AI integrated distro in the world. I think maybe even more than Windows at this point. And we offer a lot. There's such a lot. Today's video is not about Lindows, although it's coming out on the 23rd. Today's the 20th, so in 3 days' time you can download it. Today's video is about a specific AI tool that we've just added on now. So I'm not going to cover all the rest. I've done lots of videos on those and I'll continue to do those. Today's video is about our new video generator. So I really want to show this to you guys. You guys are going to love this. Absolutely love it. Now, we have a video generator that you can use via Electra. So if you open up Electra, you can generate a video here. You can say like, generate me a video of blah, 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 blah. But this video generator in Electra is a storyboard generator. Generates a story video. So to generates a bunch of images, then puts transitions in, stitches the images together, creates a story, then creates the voice over, and then syncs up the voice, the images, and the effects, you know, and everything with the audio, and then creates like a storyboard. So that's that type of video. It's a storyboard generator. This video generator is more like Soro and Kling and Runway, where you generate like a 5-second video based on an input. Okay, so that's the difference. So this one is well, I'm sure it's going to be quite a big hit because lots of people are making money using those videos now. You know, stitch together a bunch of 5-second videos. You make a 20-second clip or a 1-minute clip that you put onto YouTube or TikTok, wherever, and you generate views. Views generate money and so forth. So let's take a look at what the capability of this thing is. So firstly, if you open up this GUI, you can get it via your Electra AI toolbox over there. And there's a little icon over there. If you open it up, you get this. And if you look at this, you've got a user input prompt, you've got an AI prompt, you've got a prompt builder, you've got some boxes here, drop-down menus for your aspect ratio, you've got some themes, styles that you can select from. For example, if I go anime, then it adds this as a secondary prompt. You've got your primary prompt, and you've got a secondary prompt. So secondary prompt is optional. That's just if you want to shape your video more into a specific style, you know, so you can go like neon style. So it will add neon colors and make everything look neon-like. So yeah, let's leave that as done. Below that, you've got an open folder. I've got a couple of videos here that I've already made. We'll go through some of those just now. You've got a history over here, which is nice because it shows the history of anything that you've done. So I added a history box with timestamps and how long each generation time took. This is important because we'll get to that just now, but also you can see here, if you hold over a thing, you can see the full prompt, little pop-up I made, very cool. Obviously join our Discord, a video tutorial button that actually shows you how to operate all of this, and a purchase unlimited, and I'll cover that just now as well. Below that, you'll see remaining generations, there's a number. And then below that, current average generation time. So you can see it currently says 15 minutes. Now, this changes between, I'd say the slowest is probably about, the slowest I've seen is probably about 20 minutes. The fastest is probably about 2.5, 3 minutes. Different times of the day, you go through sort of up and down cycles. And so certain parts of the day, when the server's not that busy, it generates videos quickly, like 2-3 minutes. Certain parts of the day, when it gets really busy, there's lots of people on. You can wait like 15 minutes for a video to generate, maybe even 20 minutes. But that's usually short-lived. That's usually within like that 2-3 hour period where everybody's online, and then it dies down after that. Anyway, okay. So that's that. Every hour this updates. So this hour's almost up, and it will update again, and we'll see what the next hour, what the average generation time is. So it updates all the time. This is just the current for this hour. Okay, so with that being said, let's actually take a look at this. Now, what's the password here? Well, you get daily generations, right? Free users get 3 videos a day, pro users get 13 videos a day, but you can also purchase unlimited. And if you purchase unlimited and you put in a password, notice here, look, it changes to unlimited. I put in my password, and now it says unlimited, and I can generate unlimited videos, right? So there is the option for people to purchase unlimited. And purchasing unlimited, basically you just join a Patreon membership. That's it. That's the requirement. You become a Patreon member and you get unlimited. So it's not like you just get one thing, because with Patreon membership you get a lot of stuff, access to all of our AI stuff, early builds, everything else. Anyway, so yeah, so unlimited, generate unlimited videos. Now, actually, let's actually get to the video generation. Let's take a look here. So I can say here cat, and I can hit generate video, right? Obviously. I can AI the prompt. So as cat, and I tick AI, and then it will actually turn that prompt into something like that's way, way better. You know, it will rewrite your prompt. You can also, for example, use the prompt builder. We added a prompt builder here, and you can choose what type of film. Let's say short film. Okay, let's do a cat. I've been doing cats the whole time, so let's just keep doing that. Important feature. Let's say it's a ginger cat. Ginger. No, just ginger cat. And then setting. Well, I've been doing a lot of videos in the garden. Oh, why not? Let's just keep doing that. Garden background, and having fun. Shot type, medium shot, sure. See, you can choose your shot type here. We'll choose medium shot. Lighting, bounce lighting, candlelight, no, natural lighting maybe, because it's outside in the garden. So you can choose your overcast, neon, shadow play. So many. Okay, so we go with natural lighting over here. Angle, eye level, Dutch. We go with low angle, right? Let's go with low angle. Yeah, low angle. And then, because it's a cat. And then director, Christopher Nolan, no. Let's go with James Cameron. And we create the prompt. So what it does now is it puts that prompt in there. Basically just puts in there your choices. And then we click AI prompt. So it'll take all of those keywords and it will make this really, really, really cool prompt. Okay. And now we're going to hit generate video. And then wait and see what happens. Now, when I hit generate video, we get this little live status update, which is really cool. And this will actually tell us where we are in the queue and when generation starts. And then it will actually show you a little timer, like the countdown timer. So I'm first in the queue, which means generation should start within maybe 10, 20 seconds. And then we'll wait and see how long it takes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to fast forward this. So I'm going to fast forward this because I don't want to sit here for, I think this is actually probably going to take about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, but we'll see. But I don't want to waste your time just literally watching a queue and a timer. So I'll fast forward until it's done. Okay, 3 minutes and 48 seconds. That was actually pretty quick. Pretty quick, actually. We did have a bit of a queue time there, but it's way shorter. I'm guessing this is going to update soon. It's going to say like 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Anyway, look at this video that came out here. Just look at this. Wow. Now let's make it bigger. So we just click on it. You can click on it straight there. Let's make it full screen and just look at that. As you can see, it's a 1080p. So unlike Sora, that comes out at 480p. This is 1080p, and just look at that. Look how nicely it's blurred, the background. You can see all the flowers and stuff. Look at the cat texture. Just look at it. Ginger cat, as we asked. Having fun. It looks like it's stalking something in the garden, just like cats do. Wow. Low angle. Crazy cool. Look, it's nicely blurred out the background over there. And you don't get any kind of like messed up paws or messed up tail or anything. I mean, it all looks really nice, right? Just look at that. Perfect tail. Perfect tail. Perfect everything. Anyway, so yeah, so this video came out really, really good. Not much to fault it there with. If we go to open folder, let's quickly just take a look at some of these other videos. So I think that's the new one. Here we did a skateboarding cat in the garden. So double click that, look at that, skateboarding cat in the garden. And then we did a couple of skateboarding ones. We got actually, let me just select them all here. We can just go play with MPV Media Player. So here we've got the Bluebird. That's a pretty cool looking video. Look at that. Hard to fault that one. Next to that, we got the teddy bear. So if you look here, see a teddy bear, camera zooming in on a teddy bear that's sitting on a couch. And then woodpecker on a tree. That's cool. And then, oh, this is one of my favorites. Look at this. So on a full screen, this one. So here's a cat on a skateboard going down the road. And notice the proportion, like the skateboard looks the right size, the cat looks the right size. Look at this. This is important because I'm going to show you something after this. Look at this. Like the cat looks like the size that a cat should look, you know, skateboard as well. Look, and notice the wheels. The wheels are turning like they're supposed to. Everything's like going super fast by. Okay, let's check out the next one. So next one. Okay, so here we got this little kitty cat riding on the skateboard. Tiny little kitty cat. A baby little kitten, and notice the wheels also turning. Look at how crazy cool this looks. The motion, the movement, the cat all excited. It's pretty cool, right? And then, oh, this was a good one. I like this one. Look at this. Also another one, cat walking through the garden. I've been experimenting and playing a lot with these. Look at that. It just looks so fluid. The way the sunlight catches and the glow it puts around the cat because it's very bright. And the camera angle, obviously. Notice the flowers, everything looks proper, like it's supposed to. And then this one where the kitty cat is scratching in the flowers. Look at this. I think this is the last one. Just like a cat would. Look at that. This is pretty cool stuff. That's the last one. So I made a couple just for show. Oh, sorry. I made a couple just for show. Anyway, so yeah, so this is the power of this, that you can make a 5-second video and it looks really, really, really good. And of course you can do landscape, portrait or square, and it's 1080p. By default, it comes up 1080p, right? So really awesome. Now I want to show you something else. Let me just get to the other window here. Okay, so here we are with Soro. As you can see there, Soro.com. I'm at Soro now. And I generated a video of a cat skating on a skateboard. Look at this cat here. Notice here, the cat's oversized, way too big for that skateboard. The cat is morphing all over the place. I don't know what the hell's going on with that scooter over there. It's all messed up. Most of the background looks pretty cool. I don't know what's going on with that scooter and the cat. I mean, this is just all messed. This is unusable, right? And they charge $20 a month for a 480p, not even a 1080p, a 480p, $20 a month, right? If you want the 1080p, you've got to go for, $200 a month? $200 a month. And then you only get 50 videos. That's it. 50 videos for $200. I mean, it's crazy expensive. And then half of it's unusable because, you know, you've got to generate like 10 videos to get one usable video. So out of 50, you might get 5 videos that are actually usable. This is just crazy. They do have some nice editing tools, though. I do give them that. But I mean, what's the point of editing tools when you have mostly unusable footage and you're charging so much money? That was just crazy. All right. So let's get back to our video generator here. So yeah, this is still early stages. We're still in early stages. I'm adding, if you saw this a few days ago, it had nothing. And now we've got styles, we've got AI prompts and prompt builders and stuff. So I'm going to keep adding onto this, finding ways to improve it, make it better. I'm also going to add a 4K option here for the unlimited guys. That's coming very soon, by the way, maybe in the next few days. So there's going to be a 4K option so you can upscale your videos to 4K. That's only for the unlimited guys, though. The free videos have a watermark. The Pro and Unlimited don't. You'll notice some of these videos had a watermark here. Like this one had a watermark. If we open up this one here, let's just take a look here. Notice there, it's in the corner there at the bottom right corner, it says Makulu. So it's not intrusive. You can really just, cut it out if you want. It's a tiny little thing. It's in the bottom corner. and it's only for the free users, the guys that do not that have not upgraded to Pro and or Unlimited. So they get a watermark in the bottom corner. It says Makulu. The Pro users, there's no watermark, and the Unlimited users, there's no watermark. The Pro users obviously benefit from all of the features except the 4K. That's for the Unlimited guys, that they'll have the 4K option. And like I said, these are crazy good, and there's not, I mean, it's AI. It's prone to make mistakes from time to time. Ours just does less mistakes than, like, for example, Soro, for example. I mean, and it's probably because of the AI prompt. I'd say that's a big factor, because when you start giving a lot of details, then the mistakes are less. We've got a nice prompt builder that you can use to build a prompt, and then once you build it, you click AI prompt, and then it just turns it into like a, in fact, I might even merge this as one. Like after you put the prompt builder, I might just auto send it to the AI to redo. I think that might be a good idea. Okay, that's coming as well. Anyway, I'll still put the AI prompt as an optional. But yeah. Anyway, so as you can see, great videos. Great videos. And it didn't even take that long to generate. There was a bit of a queue, but hey, we don't have deep pockets like they do. We are very limited on server resources, and so yeah, that's we can't help that. That being said, this distro is coming on the 23rd. That's 3 days from now. I'm probably expecting that the servers are going to crash a couple of times with the influx of people, because once people see this, everybody's going to obviously want it. I mean, video, look at this quality, video generation on your desktop. Don't even have to open a browser. Everybody's going to want to try it. And so I'm guessing we're going to have like thousands or millions of people. I don't think our server boxes can handle that, frankly. So maybe you should not try it on release day. Maybe wait a couple of days and then try it, because I'm pretty sure there's going to be long queue times and crashes and everything else. But if you do get into queue and you do get to generate a couple of videos, just look at this. This kind of stuff can make big bucks on YouTube or TikTok. You know, you make a couple of these videos, you stitch them together, and wow, the amount of money, the views that you'd get. This is a cute kitty cat. People wouldn't even know it's fake. They think this is a real cat. This would generate millions of views. I mean, just look at that. Anyway, so yeah, that's my video for today. We're adding this free, by the way. This is free. You get every day, you get free daily generations. And as we scale up the server over time, like if we get a couple of people, the whole thing about this unlimited, I just quickly want to explain this. This unlimited is for every $200 we can raise, we can open up more spots, more generation spots. For example, right at this moment, we can handle 4 at a time. So if the 5th guy comes, he goes into a queue, 6th guy goes into a queue, those 4 open up, the next 4 go in, and that's pretty much how our queue works right now. But for every $200 we raise, we can open up an additional 20 spots, right? So when these guys purchase, when you guys purchase unlimited, you're basically just opening up more spots. We don't care too much about profit, so there's not much profit being made. That money goes back into expanding the server, scaling it up, opening up more slots. So $40 will open up 4 more slots. We'll open 4 additional slots. It means everybody, the queue moves faster for everybody, right? So now we have 8 people generating. The next guy that purchases unlimited, another 4 slots, another 4 slots, another, and so we scale it up. So over time, let's say we get 20 guys or 100 guys that sign up for unlimited, and it's only $40, by the way. The unlimited is only $40, and you can generate as many of these videos, high quality, 1080p. Actually, unlimited gets 4K, so you can get this at 4K. Unlimited means you can generate 1,000 of these videos a day if you could, if you get that kind of queue time. But I mean, it's unlimited, right? All month long. So anyway, yeah, we get a couple of people signing up. It's only $40 a month, and you get some great video footage. I think it's way cheaper than a lot of the other guys, really, if you think about it. It's unlimited. Runway's unlimited, I think, is like almost $100. And they tend to be very woke, so half the prompts you can't use, and I'm not sure that they're even at this quality. That they thing tends to make a lot of mistakes. So yeah, it's only $40. You join our member, and for the $40, it's not just joining. It's not just getting this. You join our Patreon, membership, because this goes through that. You also get access to early builds, early AI tools, all the ISOs, all the news, all the updates, everything, all the tools that come out early. I mean, you get lots and lots for that $40. Really, you get a lot. You get all of our early access stuff as well. And you get VIP access to our Discord. I mean, there's a lot that you get for the $40. And, of course, unlimited video generations. So, $40, and then we scale it up. $40 and we scale it up, and that's how it's going to work. So we're going to keep scaling this up. So it might start small, a lot of frustration, too many people in the queue. That's expected. We don't have deep pockets. But as time goes on, we'll scale it up. And so, you revisit this generator a year from now, and you're going to go like, wow, this is actually pretty cool. Waiting time's not that long, and lots of people using it, and big community, and so forth, so forth, so forth. So let's see how that plays out. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This is Jacques from Makulu Linux, as I said, and we are releasing this distro, lots of AI tools. Yeah, I could make a 6-hour video on all these cool AI tools. But yeah, I think this one's going to be quite a big hit. People love making videos, and videos are so expensive to make these days. So we try and make it cheap and affordable, and also make it free for most users. So yeah, thanks for watching. You might want to grab this distro when it comes out on the 23rd. And yeah, try the video generator. As well as we've got audio generators as well. There's an audio generator in there. There's an out painter, in painter, background remover, image generator. We've got AI diagnostics. So we've got coding tools. I mean, everything's in here. It's all AI. We've got an AI podcaster. This is so awesome. You have two AIs debating with each other with voice and video. It's a truly amazing stuff that we're doing here. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wow, that does look good, eh? Just look at that. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.
Working late in the light of our Makulu screen, customizing themes that are oh so clean. A system stable with a heart of open source. Makulu's whispers guide me, no need to force. LibreOffice scribing through, no end, no cap. With every app I need, it's a creative sap. Yes, app. In the glow, in the flow, Makulu's insight show. AI core, open door, guiding as I go. The comfort of the code so bright in the screen's soft light. Makulu harmony in tech's endless flight. Smooth like the river, Makulu runs deep. Updates that deliver, promises to keep. Boot it up, feel the pulse, Makulu's beat so serene. With every line of code, it's like living the dream. AI's mind like the stars guides us through the night. Makulu's here, and everything just feels so right. In the grip of Makulu we find our pace, sailing through cyberspace with elegance and grace.